the 36th Plenary Assembly of the Conference of Catholic Bishops of India. The 36th Plenary Assembly of the Conference of Catholic Bishops of India began at the state-of-the-art Xavier's Institute of Management University. The theme, Discerning Synodal Pathways for Mission. The inaugural Holy Mass was celebrated by His Excellency Most Reverend Leopoldo Girelli, Apostolic Nuncio to India and Nepal. In his homily, he urged the bishops of India to listen deeply to the Spirit as they chart new paths for mission.
Indeed, at every new beginning and new initiatives taken, it is so very important to invoke the Holy Spirit for guidance, wisdom, and renewal of our hearts. The Holy Spirit, the advocate and comforter, journeys with us, empowering us to fulfill God's mission.
The session opened with prayer, invoking the Holy Spirit with Veni Creator Spiritus, followed by the CCBI prayer and lighting of the lamp. Most Reverend John, Archbishop of Cuttack Bhubaneswar, welcomed the delegates. His Excellency, Most Reverend Leopoldo Girelli, delivered the inaugural address, inspiring the Church to embrace the call to synodality. His Eminence Felipe Neri Cardinal Ferrao, President of the CCBI, gave a visionary presidential address, followed by messages from Pope Francis and Cardinal Taglio. The annual report, presented by Most Reverend Anil Kuto, highlighted the Church's journey over the past year. The session closed with gratitude and the national anthem. In the afternoon, Dr. Christopher Vimal Raj connected the work of the Synod and the FABC 50 Bangkok document to the CCBI's national synthesis. He reminded delegates of the Holy Spirit's presence in guiding the Church in India towards synodal pathways for mission.
Father Joe Zagia further enriched the session by introducing the methodology of conversation in the Spirit, a call to quiet our hearts and open ourselves to the Spirit's promptings.
The day concluded with time before the Eucharistic Lord, a fitting end to a fruitful and Spirit-led start. As this sacred journey begins, we invite you to join us in prayer for the ongoing Plenary Assembly. May the Spirit guide the Church in India to walk together in mission and love.